So I've been using Wan 2.2 for a while now, and honestly, the prompt adherence really surprised me. What impressed me the most is the facial consistency, which is probably the best I've seen so far. In this video, let's take a deeper look, test out a new all-in-one model I've found, and see how it performs in live tests. Wan 2.2 works kind of like how SDXL first launched. You got two models working in tandem, a high noise model and a low noise model. Now if you remember SDXL, most people eventually ditched the two-step process for fine-tuned single models. They were easier and still gave great results. Same story here. I found an all-in-one Wan 2.2 merge that runs on just 8 GB VRAM. I even tested it on my laptop. It was slow, but it worked. Just remember to place this all-in-one model in Models checkpoints, and if you want to use the GGUF version, suitable for low VRAM cards, you will need to place it inside Models UNet folder. Wan 2.2 uses a two-step workflow, but this all-in-one workflow is much simpler. You just need to load the model in the checkpoint loader. The clip model and the VAE don't have to be loaded separately, they'll also load from here. And one thing I forgot to mention, if you want to use the GGUF version, suitable for low VRAM, you'll need to download ComfyUI GGUF first through the manager. Just connect the model from the GGUF UNet loader, but you'll still need the all-in-one model for the clip and the VAE, otherwise you'll have to load the clip and VAE separately.
What's cool is that this also supports Wan 2.1 LoRa's, so you can experiment with them too. Let's try out this Wan 2.1 LoRa from Civit AI. It adds a water splash effect on the character, which looks really fun. Next, add a load LoRa node and wire it into the model and the clip. Let's use the exact trigger word as it's shown on the model page. Wow, the way the water interacts with the character is mind-blowing. I'm really impressed with how that water splash effect came out. I'd love to see what creative spins you put on this. Maybe try combining it with a second LoRa. Please share your ideas in the comments. I've put all the relevant links below, and I'll see you next time.